That'd be kind of weird if there was a dead body right there.
We're not dead yet.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to?
So my friend Leo and I went out to this place called McKinnon Flats, and it's actually an incredibly beautiful place, as you just saw there. We went out there to do some light painting. Basically what that is you do long exposure photography at nighttime, and we wanted to use the drone to see what we could get. So I'll try to show you some pictures later on in the video here. Just stay tuned.
Pretty brown skin, baby, I can see the summer on you. You see all the bread, and I know it make you wonder, don't you? I ain't surprised at all. Seen them rise and fall. Went up the mountain, it wasn't hard to climb at all. At the top, I found some relief. I finally got some peace. Carry on, but please don't mess up the mood. Yeah, I worked too hard for it. No, I need to beat it, before you mess up the mood. Yeah, ooh, I worked too hard for it, and I need it, so please don't mess up the mood. Don't mess up the mood. Don't mess up the mood. Yeah, I worked too hard for it. Yeah, don't mess up the mood. Oh, it's so crucial, I gotta keep it. It's in the ass everywhere. No, it's not a secret, and I bet they didn't think that I'd ever get it. Everything you've done, I get it. The life you're dreaming, I live it, and I'm coming in high. You better get out the kitchen. Yeah, I could make a hit on whatever you pitching. Baby, let me fill up whatever you missing. Or you like it up at the top, it's a better view, isn't it? I'm not surprised at all, no it. Hey, what you need? Come on, just pay the fee. I supply it all. Went up the mountain and it wasn't hard to climb at all. At the top, I found some relief, you see. So please don't mess up the mood. Yeah, I worked too hard for.
Yeah, you can introduce yourself if you want. So my friend Leo at Rocky View Aerials and I drove down to McKinnon Flats. And yeah, it's this like beautiful, has water, has forest, has rocks, it has like all of the Alberta landscapes. So we'll see how the footage and the pictures turn out. So I climbed up on this. It doesn't look very high in the video, and I can already tell how grainy this is because it's sunset. We're trying to get some nighttime photos. We're light painting. Oh, here comes the drone. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. We're gonna have to do a lot of experimenting to see what we get. That's been the light.
If this was empty, I'd do it. If this was empty and I had a few.
Oh, yo, look at that caterpillar, yeah.
You gonna take a picture?
Yeah.
Are you?
That's my phone.
Well, I don't want to run over it.
It might be toxic. In all honesty, there's a small chance this little furry guy. Oh yeah, look at all that light.
He's probably, he knows he just froze.
He's like, what the hell is going on? Oh yeah. Honestly, probably not poisonous, but there's a small chance.
Eat it, why not?
Great idea.
Yeah, now we're gonna roll right over him.
Try not to. You're safe, buddy.
Or you a dead body just.
I was thinking the exact same thing.
Were you?
Yeah. I was like, oh, that'd be kind of weird if there was a dead body right there.
We're not dead yet.
Oh shit. Yeah, we were trying to take some pictures. Yeah. We had the drone still. Yeah, we didn't know there's people around. Oh, good. That makes for a great story. That's good to hear.
Take care, guys. He's like, no, thanks, much.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Like, what are the odds?
So I'm going to put some of the photos that were taken up on the screen here. The video, all the drone footage was all taken by Leo at Rocky View Aerials. He is awesome. Make sure to check out his stuff. I'll link it all in the description box here. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of the photos. Let me know in the comments. I really appreciate every like. It helps way more than you actually know. It really does help out a lot. And if you aren't subscribed already, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing. I do appreciate it. Thanks so much, and have a great day.